Welcome to the Maak channel. We want to draw a little penguin. After the eyes and mouth, we draw his cute face. The drawing of this part is very simple. Wings, and finally his small legs. This is a cute penguin. The penguin is fishing. The fish is small. In the background. Clouds. It's time to color. Black for his eyes. Its beak and feet are orange. The penguin has black and white feathers. Keep coloring with black. Wow, amazing! Its feet are orange. It's holding a pink fishing rod. The penguin caught a yellow fish. The penguin looks very happy. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.